bulky, sanitize, rick, delicates.
It's Talking Laundry 2.0. So I'm Bobby Lindsay. I'm an engineer here at FirstBuild, working primarily in our software. This is our Talking Laundry project. So what this does is it allows you to hear your selection as you're going through and choosing your wash cycle. And this is useful for our visually impaired community primarily. It can help them to actually be able to go through common things that, as a sighted person we may take for granted, being able to walk up to a washing machine and see what's on the screen. This allows them to walk up to it and hear what's on the screen instead. One thing we've talked about here at FirstBuild that would be a really cool use for this would be to record family members' voices. So I could record my daughter's voice and give that module to my grandparents so that each time they're doing the laundry, they're hearing their grandchild speaking to them. So the way we actually can do this is on pretty much every GE appliance we've made in the last 13, 15 years, there is a little port that we can plug into to talk to the appliance. So we can make a little module like this that has a little port that plugs into your appliance that allows us to get any kind of data that we want, such as what cycle you have selected. We can use that data to play the file for a given setting, so that when you put your washer onto the normal setting, you get that audio clip that says normal, or says, hey, this is the normal cycle, or whatever you want it to say. We're pretty sure this is something that could be useful for the visually impaired community, and we really want to hear from anybody in that community who could use this, whether that's for possibly trying this as a trial in your home, or just giving us feedback to help us develop this product further. And if you're not visually impaired, if you're part of the sighted community, we want to hear from you too. How could you use this? What would you do if you could have your appliances talk to you with custom voices? So let us know your thoughts on this device, how you would use it in your home. And stay tuned for more updates on this product and others, and we'll see you again soon from FirstBuild.